We're doing the inspection. I know everyone wants to hear something from me. In fact, you expected it when I landed from the aircraft. Let me first of all appreciate the wonderful people of River State. I am really humbled by what I saw at the airport. I was also briefed with some photographs of what happened here yesterday. That reception really humbled me. It showed love, confidence, and solidarity. I want to say that it is not just the celebration, the massive reception by the number of people who came out to celebrate, but a display or reaffirmation of the bond between this government and the people that we are serving. I want to assure you that we will, by the grace of God, continue to do those things that has made you people love us. I want to appreciate everyone and to say that we love you.
Okay, sorry. Oh. Okay, open up. Open up now. Move. Once you get to that pillar, you come back. Okay, it's okay. Press this. George.